ह्या वर्सा ऑगस्टान GPSC थ्रू 28 DySP पोस्टांची जाहिरात आयली, जातून 2400 लोकांनी अप्लाय केले आनी तातूंतले 1900 भुरग्यांनी जी प्री स्क्रिनींग एग्जाम आसता ती दिली. प्री स्क्रिनींग एग्जामीक 93 भुरगे पास जाले आनी ह्या 93 भुरग्यांनी जी स्क्रिनींग एग्जामिनेशन आसता ती दिली आनी तातूंतले 62 जे भुरगे आसा ते सद्या जे फिजिकल एफिशियन्सी टेस्ट आसा तेका सिलेक्ट जाल्या आनी ही जी फिजिकल एफिशियन्सी जी टेस्ट आसा ती येता त्या 12 तारखेक म्हळ्यार 12 डिसेंबराक GPSC थ्रू कंडक्ट केली वतली.
पयलो सद्या आमी ॲड म्हणून तो ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यात काडलो तो ॲड. So we advertised in August based on a proposal that the personnel department sent to us. That is for 28 posts of DySP, and we had received around 2,400 applications. Of this, about 1,900 of the candidates answered the examination. What we call as a pre-screening examination. And from the pre-screening and a repeat pre-screening, only 93 candidates were eligible to answer the screening exam. Screening exam we conducted on the 5th of November for the 93 candidates, of which 62 candidates have made it to the final round of which is what we call as the written exam. But what happens is the police service rules, which were published in the Gazette on 26th of May 2022, mandates that all the candidates have to undergo physical efficiency test plus a standards test. The standards would mean that they have to meet certain height requirements, weight requirements, chest measurements, etc. For male, female, it's different. For the physical efficiency test, they have to run 100 meters, they have to run 800 meters. For the males, 200 meters for the females, they have to do long jump, they have to do high jump, and they have to do short put. This physical efficiency test we will be conducting most likely on the 12th of December 2023. The venue will be decided very shortly. The candidates should be informed perhaps by today or tomorrow where the test will be held. After they pass the physical fitness test or they meet those requirements of the physical efficiency test, they will be then invited to do a written examination, which should be sometime around the end of this month. The written examination comprises 4 papers. Totally it is 250 marks, followed by an interview which is of 40 marks, and the combined score of the interview and the written examination will be prepared in a merit list form, category wise, means whatever reservation wise, and then sent to the government for its consideration.
Okay, sir, how transparent is this process for the recruitment?
See, we have what is known as a computer-based recruitment test. Those who have answered this will know. Our papers are set 10 minutes before the examination begins. So when all the candidates are sitting in a hall, or what we call as a computer room or computer center, at that time the examination paper begins to be prepared. We have a server with a large data bank of questions. Randomly the questions are selected at that moment, and each candidate gets those questions on his computer. The other thing is it's a multiple choice question, so they have got 4 choices. They pick the appropriate one. If it is correct, they get 1 mark. If it is wrong, they get no marks. As soon as the exam is over, the candidate is still on his computer. His score comes on the computer. So whatever score is there on the computer, the next day of working day, because normally we have an exam on a holiday, we come the next working day, we put up the consolidated score of all the candidates along with the question paper and answer keys. So that is how transparent the GPSC is. And also sometimes it so happens that the candidate has a grievance of a question. The question was wrong, the wording was correct, data was insufficient, the answer given wrong. There is a mechanism where a candidate can file a grievance. The GPSC takes 2 days to examine the grievance, and if it is correct, we give 1 mark to all the candidates concerned with that. So it's the transparency, I think, at GPSC is absolute. There's nothing that anybody can say that there's something that is incorrectly done or external sources have been the cause of somebody passing or not. It's not possible. It is absolutely transparent. And it's only the meritorious candidates who eventually make it to the list.
Okay. And one more thing, GPSC is conducting these types of recruitment first time, like where the physical and this thing is involved. How do you manage to do this?
See, the first time, in fact, for the police recruitment, that's true, it's done after about 25 years. Commendable that the government has moved this proposal to do after 25 years. We are putting all effort to see that everything is clearly done. Physical efficiency test, we are getting together a team of experts, retired IPS police officials will be involved with this, and they will help us. Plus, people who are very well versed in the sports field, for example, the requirements of running, the requirements of high jump, long jump, all will be taken care of by experts who are particularly have expertise in that field.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.